BlueJeans Meetings app. The pros, the cons. BlueJeans Meetings app is a video conferencing platform designed for professional meetings, webinars, and virtual events. Most people get this wrong if they assume it's only a basic video call tool. BlueJeans focuses on enterprise-quality audio, video, and security features. On the pro side, BlueJeans offers high-definition video and Dolby Voice audio for crystal-clear meetings. Features like screen sharing, breakout sessions, and meeting recording enhance collaboration. Integration with Slack, Microsoft Teams, and calendar apps improves scheduling and workflow. Its security and compliance measures make it suitable for enterprise environments. BlueJeans also supports large meetings and webinars, accommodating hundreds of participants with stable performance. On the cons side, some users find the interface less intuitive compared to Zoom, and advanced webinar features may require higher tier plans. Free plan options are limited, making it more suitable for paying teams. In conclusion, BlueJeans Meetings app is perfect for organizations seeking reliable, high-quality video conferencing with enterprise-grade security. While it may not be as widely adopted as Zoom, its focus on clarity, performance, and compliance makes it a strong option for professional virtual meetings and events.